Okay, so just so you guys can see, kind of what this looks like. This is where we are in the room. Way back here. Hopefully you get an idea of how big the room is with the tables. And if we zoom in more, start to see the whiteboard. I'll zoom all the way into max. I believe that's max. I'll look out. You can see right there is the speaker, or the microphone actually. And I'm barely talking below room, even below a normal room speaking quarters. And it picks up everything from back here. So I don't know what this is, probably 30 feet